Hello, beautiful, gorgeous fashionistas. You are welcome to Fashion World. Hope you had a lovely, fun weekend and happy brand new week to each and every one of you, wherever you are watching from across the world. We brought you a video like 2 days ago where we showcased the best of lace fabric, white lace to be precise, and going by the feedback and the views, we understand that you guys love that video and you love the styles we packed in that very video, and we want to double down based on popular demand and based on what you love. The only difference there would be that today's video is going to be predominantly white as well, but it's going to be Midi white dresses for the gorgeous fashionistas out there. And I said it and I will reiterate it again that you can never go wrong with white. White depicts so many things. It depicts reality. White exudes confidence. White brings out the poise, the finesse, the swag in you. And wherever you find yourself putting on white, you are most definitely going to be the look to or the look up to person in that arena. So that is why we are bringing it back again to inspire all the beautiful, gorgeous ladies out there. Just sit back, relax, and get the dose of what we have brought to you today, and that will inspire you uh, in no small measure from the beginning to the end, and most definitely you will be glad you did. All props and credits in this video goes to those highly resourceful, highly creative fashion designers who avail us the opportunity of showcasing this to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Enjoy this lovely video. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting. And don't let this video be for your eyes alone. Share with family and friends for us to even spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the world. And if you are new here, you are most definitely welcome to that broad spectrum on the cyberspace where the best of African fashion is showcased. Hit on the subscribe button and tap on the post notification for you to always get notified anytime we drop a lovely video like this on this platform. My name is BJ, fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you a prosperous, rewarding, fulfilling working week ahead. I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we've brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.